Hey, guys! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to share with top 5 tips for a productive day. We all want to make the most of our time and achieve our goals, but sometimes it can be challenging. So, we've put together these tips to help you have a more productive day. Tip number 1. The first tip is to start your day with a plan. Before you go to bed, take a few minutes to write down your tasks for the next day. This way, you'll know exactly what you need to do when you wake up. You can prioritize your tasks and allocate your time accordingly. Having a plan will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the day. Tip number 2. The second tip is to take breaks. It's important to take short breaks throughout the day to recharge your batteries. You can take a 5-minute break every hour or so to stretch, walk around, or just take a deep breath. This will help you avoid burnout and stay productive. Tip number 3. The third tip is to minimize distractions. We all know how distracting social media, emails, and notifications can be. Try to limit your use of these distractions during your workday. You can turn off your phone, log out of social media, and even use apps that block certain websites during work hours. This will help you stay focused on your tasks and be more productive. Tip number 4. The fourth tip is to learn to say no. Sometimes, we get overwhelmed with tasks and responsibilities, and we end up saying yes to everything. This can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. It's okay to say no to tasks that don't align with your goals or priorities. This way, you can focus on what really matters and be more productive. Tip number 5. The fifth and final tip is to celebrate your achievements. It's important to acknowledge your hard work and accomplishments. Take a moment to reflect on what you've achieved and give yourself a pat on the back. This will boost your confidence and motivate you to keep going. So, those are our top 5 tips for a productive day. We hope you found them helpful. Remember, it's all about starting your day with a plan, taking breaks, minimizing distractions, learning to say no, and celebrating your achievements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.